Welcome to my channel. Today's story is Better Late Than Never. Nancy was the lazy girl. She always used to postpone things. Her father always advised her to do things on time, but she never listened to him. To make her understand the value of time, one day, her father called her and said, "Go and check your cupboard. There is a surprise gift for you." Nancy, as always, said, "I will see in some time," and she completely forgot about it. The next morning, when she remembered about the surprise gift, she went to check her cupboard. On opening the cupboard, Nancy found her favorite artist's stage show ticket. But it was useless for her, as the show had already got over the previous day. Nancy felt very sad and repented her habit of postponing things. She learned a lesson from this incident and promised never to postpone things. Moral is, do not postpone anything, do everything on time.